Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra in rose gold with the beautiful blue dial and blue rubber strap. And first I'd like to remind you that we're here at JB Hudson Jewelers in Minneapolis, Minnesota taking a look at this piece. And I'd also like to remind you that I'll be leaving links in the description to both this watch as well as to our channel store where we list our favorite watches and watch accessories for sale. It really helps the channel if you make purchases on there, so I highly encourage you to check it out. So now let's start the rest of this review. So as I said, this is the Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra in rose gold with the beautiful blue dial, as you can see. Now, the whole reason I chose to review this watch is because, frankly, I loved the combination of these colors, and I really wanted to kind of bring attention to Omega's gold watches. They're overlooked, I would say, in the watch community, and I think they really shouldn't be. I mean, they represent some of the best technology as well as some of the best style of any watches that I've seen. I really love this piece. I think that just the blue and the gold, it looks absolutely exquisite. So now I'll move on to kind of the more technical details of this piece. So this watch has a 41mm case, perfect. Anything around 40 is great in my book. It's definitely not too big or too small. It's got the caliber 8900 movement, which has a 60-hour power reserve. That's well over what I would expect on a watch. It's got the beautiful rose gold rotor there, and the finishing on the movement is very nice. It's got the coaxial escapement, which I will show you here. So, as you can see, the finishing is fantastic. It's a very high quality movement. I think I said 8900, it's the 8901 movement. It's probably just a case size difference, but it looks absolutely fantastic. It's similar to the movements used in the Planet Oceans. So now I will try this watch on for a wrist shot. So the deployment clasp is very nice. Again, it's also rose gold. I mean, the quality on this piece is fantastic. It's same as Rolex, definitely, which is very high praise. I would say that Omega's quality, honestly, around the kind of early 2000s was above Rolex, and now they're about the same as Rolex, which is about the highest you can get, frankly, in the sports watch world. So I really love this piece. Again, the 41mm case size is perfect. It's not going to look too big or too small on really anyone's wrist. So if you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share, and also remember to check out those links that I told you about in the description. Also, when you do subscribe, be sure to hit the bell, otherwise you won't get any notifications about our new videos. So definitely be sure to do that when you subscribe. Thank you.